Welcome back to the Steamship Wharves of the St. John River, and we find ourselves at Newcastle Creek. There's Laura and a nice fishing shanty. What a beautiful wharf right here, and the unique thing about this one, Laura, is that it starts out as a high water wharf and then it goes down and becomes a low water wharf.
Yeah, that's freaking cool, man.
So they really thought this one out.
Yeah, this one was planned well.
Well planned, yeah, and typical of most of the wharves along the St. John River. But we're on Grand Lake at Newcastle Creek.
Wow.
Pretty much the same design with the pillars on the sides.
Yep.
And yeah, this one here was adjacent to the former Grand Lake generating station, which used to be right over there.
And now it's just a big empty space.
She's a big empty space, and they have a lighthouse right here. It's not an official one, but it is a great beacon when you're
looking.
Especially night driving.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
What a beautiful spot right here, Newcastle Creek. This is further up the lake on Grand Lake, and another beautiful day here.
Oh my goodness, yes, holy.
And I hope you guys got your gas earlier this week, because wow.
Before she goes through the roof and we ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, you gotta love Wharf.
Oh.
But what a beautiful wharf right here on Grand Lake, Newcastle Creek. Another one to add to our big list. Yes, absolutely. Well, here we are, Laura, at another forgotten steam wharf of the St. John River. This one here is Wilmot Bluff Wharf.
Yep.
So we're off of Thatch Road.
Yep.
This is in Lincoln, near Fredericton. And what a view of the St. John River right here. And wow, it stretches all the way down towards Oromocto. But yeah, Wilmot Wharf. And this one here, we actually have a picture of a boat being unloaded at this very wharf.
Oh yes!
So stay tuned for that. But what an incredible wharf right here. And we've been here before, exploring the old lighthouse up the way.
Yep.
And never even thought to look here for this.
Right?
Unbelievable.
Goodness.
Wilmot Wharf, another wharf of the St. John River. Hatfield Point, there's a very familiar milestone right there. Landmark. And a classic steamer wharf right here, Laura.
What now?
A classic steamer wharf right here, Hatfield Point, and a beauty at that. So basically we're at the top end of Belleisle Bay. This is Hatfield Point. As far as I know, this is the last wharf up the Belleisle Bay. And that's looking across. And traveling that way would take you back up to the St. John River towards Longreach.
That's crazy.
Yeah, old steamship sunk right up there.
Yeah. We gotta connect here in summer, see if we can find the. Oh my god, my eyeballs. See if we can find it.
Yeah, and its name was the Springfield, so.
And that's the one that sunk here, yeah.
And yeah, and we have a lovely photo of the big steamship parked right in front here with several hundred people on the wharf.
Yeah.
But incredibly, if you look up here, that very house right there has been here
since
even longer than the wharf.
I was gonna say
it's
the
incredible.
Beginning of time almost.
In time, absolutely. Unbelievable. Hatfield Point. Beautiful, beautiful, forgotten wharf.
It is.
From the steamship era, but still very much used here for the public. And here we find ourselves at another wharf along the St. John River system. This one, Colwells Wharf.
Yes, indeed.
And what a view. And you'll pan through the field and the trees here, and wow, a scene that has been here since the steamships.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Gorgeous.
Oh, definitely.
Beautiful wharf right here. It's a low water one, but does have some extension area for higher water.
It's got a little bit of a problem here.
But yeah, erosion is
Real.
happening on the sides. Then the tide actually does affect this current here very well.
That's crazy.
Unbelievable. That's looking down towards Washtenaw Creek. This is Colwells Creek, and down there's a beautiful lighthouse on the shore of Musquash. Laura down on the decking. And up that way, heading back towards the St. John River, if you take a right into a channel, you'll find yourself in Fauché Lake.
Yeah.
Beautiful wharf right here. It's part of the Heritage Society.
She's a gooder.
That's
like
why
it.
we see the blue sign, but that old farmhouse right up there just tells the tale of the tape. Wow. History right here in the backyards of New Brunswick.
What a friggin' day.
Another steamship wharf. What a beautiful day. Yeah. What is it, March the 2nd or 3rd?
4th.
Shades of Scorpius.
Yep.
Unbelievable.
Corpus Christi.
Beautiful, beautiful wharves of the St. John River system.